guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. Brand new box for us, but not brand new box like for real. It's been around. We just haven't opened Smartass and Sass yet. So, this is just the box. Well-behaved women seldom make history. Drop it like it's hot, but not literally, it's fragile. If the box doesn't, classy, sassy, and a bit smart-assy. The box will give you a pretty good clue as to what we're moving into. This is the sarcastic box. Sarcasm is their holy grail. It's what they do. It looks like this month's theme is work hard, play hard. I have no idea what's in this box. What I do know is there are three options. The shirt only box, which is $15.95. The box, which is what I think this is, $34.95. And the big box, which is $49.95. And from what I can tell, the big box is the shirt plus this box put together. It's all the things. They source all of these products from small businesses. Their big goal is to support small businesses. I love that. On the shirt subscription, the sizes are extra small through 3XL. So they have a good variety. The box is monthly. You can skip when and if you want to. You can cancel anytime, and they do have a loyalty program. Full disclaimer, I do not know if the products in here have profanity, bad words, or discolored comments. If you are sensitive to the nature, skedaddle. Otherwise, dive in with me. This says, just salty. That's a cute little sticker. Where does salty need to go, you guys? I'm thinking salty should go right there. A little over the apple, a little over the mermaid. Got a bend in my cup, so some of these stick on kind of crazy, but there we go. It's official. Salty is on the old Yeti. Dun, 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 dun. I love stickers if you can't tell. My cup's covered in them. Oh, this is what I've been hearing. I was like, gosh, I hope something is not broken in this box. Coloring is cheaper than therapy. Oh, it is a box of colored pencils. I do not color. My children, however, go through colored pencils like they're free or growing on a tree or whatever statement you want to put in there. So I'm gonna be honest, I probably won't use these, but they will be very well loved and very well used. Not to mention, as soon as my oldest kid sees this rainbow, I'm gonna lose possession of that. There's no way I'm gonna win. Oh my gosh, that is cute. This is from Here and There, and it says, yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so putting that on one of my shelves back here. That is cute. Smarty Pits, aluminum-free deodorant in lavender rose. Oh, it smells really good. No white. I like that. It smells good, and it is not even slightly sticky. Okay, if this stuff actually keeps me from stinking, because I can get a little stinky, it's on like Donkey Kong. Do people still say that? Oh gosh, I'm supposed to stop saying old people phrases. I'm an 80s kid. Those are our phrases. Oh, that's appropriate. Drop your phone in, go to the river or the pool. Very, very cool. Can I just say, thank you for not sending this in the color blue, because it really doesn't help when you're trying to find your phone in the bottom of the water when your case is blue. Love this. What is this? Oh, cute. Work hard, play hard. And not only is it a reusable bag, it has a zipper. That never happens. That is great. The zipper makes it so nice. Okay, what else we got in here? Look. Nap time is my happy hour. So I'm gonna be real. Nap time is my happy hour, and happy hour is my happy hour, and I sleep every single night with a sleep mask. I can't wait to use this. Oh, it's super soft, and it's satin, silk satin. Does it say on here? Satin. So with my curly girl method, it won't frizz and fray out and tear into my hair. That is cute. Very, very cute. This is the box that keeps on giving. I don't give a sip. What is inside? Oh, I think I know what's inside. Let me show you. Okay, y'all ready for this? Reusable straws. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 that have the bend and 2 that are straight and the cleaner. How cute are these? And there's a lot. I feel like every time you get reusable straws, you get like 1. And this kit right here has 4. Comment below, straight straw or bendy straw, which is, okay. Life's a Beach, the Smartass and Sass coloring book. I'm not gonna lie, she's pretty badass. Huh, so it's custom. So like the art and stuff is based around and looks like the box itself. Now that I've opened it and I've seen what's inside, I am very confident that this is the $34.95 box. With that being said, we got 1, 2, 3, there's multiple items in there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the sticker. 9 items. So we got, it said online 5 to 7 items. We got 9 items in here. And this guy here talks about each of the items and talks about the retail value. So like this is $5. The bag is $18. The yay is $10. $20. $10. Hold on. Why did I take this out of the package? This says Resting Beach Face. I already love this one. It was just this fluorescent color. Now I'm super in love with what it says. Okay, I think this is a great gift. I mean, I would subscribe it for myself, absolutely. But when I'm always like, what is a unique gift that's funny for the person who has everything? Ta-da! I am sure I can scrounge up a little something, a coupon, a gift back of something. So let me look around. What I find, I will link up in the notes below. I will also talk about the retail value versus the box value in the notes below because this is my first time to open it. I didn't want to spoil it, so I didn't look in advance. Smartass and Sass, thank you so much. This is a super cool box and actually very niche. I'm super impressed. If you have not already, give this video a thumbs up below, leave a little comment for the box owner, for myself, and subscribe because we have so many more amazing subscription boxes coming your way soon. We'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.